loved about this program in particular were a lot of the anecdotes that were shared. There were a lot of scenarios from what happens in on real boards, the kind of conversations, interactions, conflicts, the areas of stresses, what human interactions are like. And for me, that has been of greatest value.
How I feel about the women leadership is not only women need a seat on the table, they also need a mic, they also need a voice on the table. We all bring diverse perspectives. It's very important to have more and more women on the table, especially as board members, as independent directors, and really looking forward to learning more on the course.
You know, what I really like about this course is the amount of practical real-life examples that are shared of what actually goes on in a boardroom behind the scenes. And this much of learning, no amount of theoretical learning can ever cover up for, right? We actually discuss real cases that have happened in the country. What has gone well in a boardroom, what has not gone so well in a boardroom. And that actually gives us the confidence that yes, we can handle those situations, whether things go well or they don't, and how do we make that better.
So I joined the course because I do feel that women need to be represented more on boards as well as in management in general. I feel that there are too few women compared to how many men there are, and I think that needs to change, and the only way really to make the change is to do it ourselves. I had to think a lot about whether I wanted to do this course because it meant taking time away from my work as well as my kids who are quite young. But after I spoke to Anuradha from the program and understood the value that I was potentially going to get out of it, I decided to sign up, and it totally lived up to expectations. Kaushik as well as Robin and Roshni did a fantastic job of explaining how to get onto boards, what to expect when you're on a board, how to deal with situations. And I think I'm quite well equipped now to understand what I need to do once I do get to that position. And I'm really, really happy I came, and I'd highly recommend that anyone who's looking to join a board should do it, and it'll be very empowering for you to join the course.